what's up? It's Jessica. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I achieved this glowing skin, the summertime 5-minute, I'm calling it the 5-minute smoky eye because literally it takes 5 minutes to do this smoky eye look. Summertime is literally right around the corner, which means more festivities, more traveling, a lot of things going on. So we want to look cute while we're doing all those things, right? But we don't want to spend a lot of time doing so. So I have you covered in today's video because this look was super simple to do. Even if you are new to makeup, if you're a girl who's literally always on the go, you're always traveling, this is your summertime travel friendly, beginner friendly makeup tutorial. I did this gorgeous daytime smoky eye, the gorgeous corally goldy lip, and this glowing skin. She is travel ready, okay? As soon as she steps off of the plane, where is the party? Where is the beach? That's this look. If you're excited to see how I slayed this super simple makeup look, let's dive into the video. So I'm going to start off by applying my foundation. I'm using the Glam Meet Your Matte Velvet Foundation in the shade Caramel 08 and just apply it on my finger and place it on my face. Moving on to my brows, I'm going to use the Glam Shape and Shade eyebrow pencil. It has a spoolie attached, which is perfect for when you're on the go and you just want to like touch up your brows. Now we're gonna move on to the smoky eye look, and I love doing a smoky eye, especially for the summertime because it's a great way to transition from day to night. It's super simple to do because you don't need a lot of eyeshadow palettes to achieve this look. Like you literally can have one palette and just go. And if you're new to makeup or you're traveling, like you're the girl on the go, this is the perfect look to do because it literally takes minutes, you guys. Okay, so for this look, I'm gonna be using this Glam eyeshadow palette. I believe the shade name is Get Ready With Me. This is the perfect eyeshadow palette for summertime because you have like your browns, you have your golds. These colors are great for transitioning from daytime glam to nighttime glam, so I love this. So I'm gonna take this dark brown shade and then tap my brush in it, shake off the excess powder, and then I'm just going to press it on the lid of my eye. Once I have that applied, I'm going to take a blending brush and just blend this out. So I'm going to go across the lids, blend it out, and then I'm going to take it up. So next I'm going to go into the Femme Couture Get Nude palette, and I'm literally just focusing on this shade right here because I think this one is so cute, just to add a little shimmer, because you could totally leave it like this, but if you want a little bit more, you know, golden sparkle on it, then I would just add a little bit of this. I'm going to take my brush and just pat it into the product and then literally just pat on my eye, and it just gives a really subtle but nice little shimmer. So you still have that smoky look, but it just adds a little bit more detail to it. And then go ahead and just blend that up and out. And I'm gonna do the same thing to my lower lash line. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and then just dip it into that dark brown. Now we're gonna go into mascara. I'm going to add this one by Glam. This is the Bomb Mascara. I'm gonna apply this to my top and bottom lashes. Love how this one has like a curve, so it makes it easy to kind of like comb your lashes. And you can go really heavy with the mascara since we didn't apply eyeliner. So you can definitely stop right here. I think this eye look is super cute, very easy to do. Like literally you can do this at the airport, you can do this anywhere. It literally takes 5 minutes to do this look. But I'm gonna be a little extra and apply some lashes. I have these lashes by Ardell, so I'm gonna apply them to my lash just to give me a little bit more glam for the daytime. Alright, so my lashes are applied. I'm going to conceal with this Glam concealer. This is their No Flaws Liquid Concealer. I have the shade Caramel / Tawny, and I'm going to put this in all the areas where I would normally highlight.
Let me fall back into sleep. When I wake up, you say I have a real control.
Okay, so to contour, I'm going to use the Palladio Contour and Highlight Palette. And I'm going to play around with both of these shades right here. I think those might look really cute together. It gives a nice like bronze glow to your face. I really like this, you guys. This is really pretty. For blush, I'm going to be using this one by Glam. This is their Soft Spot Sheer Blush in the shade Meet Cute, and I think this would be super pretty, so let's put her on. I'm just going to sweep it over the cheeks. See how pretty that is? I really like this color. Alright, so it's time to highlight, y'all. This is my favorite part. This one is by Palladio. This is their I'm Glowing highlight palette. And I'm going to take this shade right here. I think that would be really pretty. Looks like it has some gold in it. Alright, so moving on to lips, I'm going to be using this lip pencil by Glam. The shade name is Petal Pusher, and it's a really pretty, like, mauvey, rosy pink. I think I'm going for a pinky nude look. I think that might look hot with this eye. Okay, so for the lip, I'm going to be using this one by Glam. This is their Matte Addiction lip color. It's a liquid lipstick in the shade Pink. Let's see how this looks. This is a really gorgeous pinky nude. I really like this, but I think I want a little bit of orange. And by orange, I mean a little bit more warmth to my lips. So I'm gonna be taking this lipstick by Palladio, and the shade color is Toasted Orange. Let's see what that does. It kind of warmed it up more. I actually like this shade. I'm going to go in with Palladio's lip pencil. What color is this? This is in Raisin. Okay, I'm going to go back into that Palladio highlight palette and go into the shade that I highlighted with and just add a little to my lip to give it some shine. I almost forgot to highlight my inner corner, so I'm going to go back into that Glam palette. I'm going to go into this shade right here and just add that right in the inner corner. Summertime is not summertime unless your body is glowing. So I'm going to go back into that Palladio highlight palette and highlight that collarbone. Yes. Like, is it really summertime without highlighting? Okay, so final step, we're going to set this look, put it all into place. I'm using the Femme Couture Get Locked Makeup Setting Spray. Alright you guys, so this is the completed makeup look. I absolutely love this look. It's so gorgeous, especially for the summertime. It's a gorgeous on the go look, so you look super glam without putting too much effort into your look. And let me know in the comment section how you guys enjoy this look. Are you digging it? Are you feeling it? Are you ready for summer? Because I know I definitely am. Alright y'all, that is all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!